Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, my name is Anne, and if you have been here already, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you this makeup look which I found on Pinterest, so I wanted to do a inspired look. It's kind of like a devil look, I don't really know how to call it, but let's get started. I'm gonna start with this eyeshadow primer from Makeupgeek, which is my all-time favorite primer. If you don't know by now, I use it in every video. I just feel like it's one of the best. It's really dry, but not like dry in a bad way. I just feel like it makes my eyeshadows like really long lasting, which I really like. Then after I have applied it, I'm gonna set it with a little bit of translucent powder just to make sure that it's locked in place. Now for today's eye look, I'm gonna use this palette from NYX Cosmetics, which is the Phoenix palette. I also used this palette in my previous video where I did like a really wearable eye look. So if you want to see that one, I will show you like what the look looks like. That's this one. And I will put the link in the description bar so you can check it out if you like. I'm using the same palette today, but obviously for this eye look, I'm going to do more of a Halloween inspired look. So I've started with blending the shade all over in the crease. This is going to be like the transition shade. So this is the color that you will see above all the other shades, kind of like peeking right above it, and this will give the whole eye look a little bit more warmth. I'm using a Sigma Beauty E40 brush. I have a special discount code for everything on Sigma Beauty, the website, which is also in the description bar. Then now for the next shade, I'm gonna take this red color. This is a lot more vibrant and darker than the one that I just applied. So at first I was kind of like, oh damn, not sure if this is gonna blend well. It looked kind of patchy, but the more I blended, it started to look better. But at first I was kind of like, is this gonna turn out good? I had no idea, but I just kept blending and blending. And then I also went back in with the brush I used with the shade we used at the beginning, just kind of on top of it to kind of blend everything together. Now I'm going to take the Cakeless Concealer from Benefit, which is the new Buoyant Concealer. And I'm going to take my MAC 242 brush and I'm going to apply this concealer all over the eyelids. I'm also going to use it to cut the crease. I wanted to do like a cut crease for today's eye look because I felt like I haven't done one in a while, even though that's not really true, but I feel like lately I'm doing like a lot of more wearable eye looks. So I wanted to do, since this is already like a more dramatic look for Halloween, I wanted to like include a cut crease as well, because those are one of my favorites to create. Those are not like my favorite to wear. I feel like sometimes cut creases look a little bit too dramatic on me, but they are my favorite to create for like YouTube. I think they're just kind of artsy, which I really like. Then now I'm going back in with the red color. I just decided to apply a little bit more of the red eyeshadow. I felt like the crease was looking quite soft, so I wanted to make it a little bit more vibrant. Then now I'm going in with this gel eyeliner, which is from INGLOT, and I'm going to use this to create a winged liner. But now that I'm done with my wing, I'm taking this Colourpop liquid liner in the color Red, which looks like this. This is really nice because you can work really precise with this, since it has quite a really pointy tip, which is good because we have to be quite precise for this makeup look. If you don't have this product, you can use a liquid lipstick with a eyeliner brush, or you can use a normal lipstick, but I think a liquid lipstick is obviously gonna dry into a matte, and I think that's gonna look a little bit more better. You don't want it to be like really shiny, but if you have no other option than a normal lipstick, you can also use that one, of course. But I think a liquid lipstick is gonna work best. Just use like a really tiny eyeliner brush and try to do what I'm doing right now. But this definitely helps by like using a liquid eyeliner pen like the one I'm using right now. I do feel like you can see like it's now dried down and it kind of looks kind of patchy. It doesn't dry like evenly, which sucks. That's something I noticed. I think this is quite normal. The same happens probably with a liquid lipstick. I'm not sure. But yeah, it was kind of annoying me. So this was also really hard because of course I wanted to have both sides to be as equal as possible. But I just decided to take my time with it and it turned out pretty good. So now I'm gonna create the arrow on the eyeliner and I'm just gonna put on some music and let you guys watch. Then now that I'm done with the liquid liner, I'm going in with this black eyeshadow from the same palette we used before. I'm taking my flat diviner brush from Sigma Beauty and I'm gonna press the black eyeshadow right underneath the lower lash line. I feel like since I did quite a bold wing liner, it's really nice to use a black eyeshadow as well. This way it will kind of connect the lower lash line with the eyeliner. And now I mix those two shades together and I'm gonna use that to blend out the lower lash line. Just blending my brush back and forth to really smoke it all out. If you want, you can also do like a black pencil in the waterline if you want to create more of a smoky eye. But I'm not going to do that today. I'm actually going to use a brown pencil, which is one of my favorites. This one is by Morphe Brushes. It's called Vibes. And I'm actually going to LA to celebrate Halloween this year, just like I did last year with Anastasia Beverly Hills, which I'm really excited for. And last year I bought this pencil at the Morphe store in Burbank. And even though I use it very often, like the pencil is still really big, but I'm gonna stock up a few more and maybe I can do like a giveaway because you guys definitely have to try out this pencil. It's really affordable, but it's really beautiful. It's gonna make your eyes stand out. So hopefully it's in stock and I'm gonna try to get my hands on it so I can do like a giveaway and just give you guys it as well so you can try it out. Then now I'm applying my own Anytude lashes. If you wanna get my lashes, I now have a special discount code which is Halloween. This will give you 30% discount on all my lashes. I will put like all the information in the description bar. The style that I'm wearing right now is in the style Sultry, which is one of my favorites. It's like really fluffy, not too dramatic. I really like it. So yeah, then here you have the finished result. I really hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. Also let me know if you're gonna try it out or what costume you're going for this year. I still haven't decided what I want to go for and I really need to hurry up because it's almost Halloween and I just need to get like some inspiration. So if you guys have any ideas, let me know. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. That's really helpful for my YouTube channel. And hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys!